Okay, students, now I have given you all a worksheet, and it is about problem-solving strategies. So, let's go over the first problem I gave you.
Okay.
Zach, can you please read it?
Zach is 3 years older than Megan, and Megan is 8 years younger than Savannah. If Savannah is 23, how old is Zach?
Alright, so let's underline a few of the most important numbers in here. And possibly words. So, Zach is 3 years older than Megan. Is there anything important in that first section?
Zach is 3 years older than Megan.
Oh, yes. What is the most important thing there?
Zach is 3 years older.
3 years older. Good. Now underline 3 years older. And Megan is 8 years younger than Savannah. What is important there?
8 years younger.
Good. Underline that. If Savannah is 23, how old is Zach? Now, what is important in that sentence? How old is Savannah?
23.
We need to make sure we know that, so what do we do there?
Underline 23.
Alright, so how would we go about doing this?
I have no idea.
You have no idea.
No.
Alright, well let's look at who we know their actual ages. Do we know anyone's actual age?
Savannah's 23.
Oh, right. So Savannah is 23. We know that. And Megan is 8 years younger than Savannah. So what could we do with that 8 and that 23?
Minus it.
So let's write on our papers 23 minus 8. And then what do we get? Put your pencils down when you have the answer. Alright, so, Zach, what did you get?
I got 15.
15, alright. So now we have one more number to figure out. Zach is 3 years older than Megan. So, what's the 15 for?
That's how old Megan is.
Alright, so we want to make sure Megan is 15. Good? Alright, so Zach is 3 years older than Megan. So how would we do that?
You would add 3 to Megan's 15.
And what did we get? How old is Zach?
18.
Alright, so Savannah is?
23.
Megan is?
15.
And Zach is?
18.
Alright, let's do one. We have 2 more to do, so let's do one more together, and then I'll let you off and do the last one. So, Zach, can you read the next one for me?
Zach is 8 years older than Megan.
And make sure you're underlining while you're reading. What is the important parts?
Zach is 8 years older than Megan, and Megan is 10 years younger than Savannah. If Savannah is 32, how old is Zach?
Alright, so how would we start off with this?
Well, we know that Savannah is 32.
Alright, so Savannah is 32.
Okay.
And then?
Megan is 10 years younger than Savannah.
So what would we do with 10 and 32?
Minus it.
32 minus 10. And how old's Megan now?
22.
Okay, so Megan is 22. And then we need to figure out how old is Zach.
So I would add 8.
Alright, so add 8 to what though?
22.
So how old is Zach?
30.
Good job. Now the last problem I can read and then you guys will do. Zach is 13 years older than Megan, and Megan is 3 years younger than Savannah. If Savannah is 15, how old is Zach? So let's do this problem on our own, and when you're done, put your pencils down. Good job, Zach. I'm glad you're underlining the important parts. Alright, and when you have it done, just put your pencils down and then we can check our work. Alright, Zach, I see you're finished. Can you walk me through what you did?
I underlined the important parts.
Good work.
And I know that Savannah is 15.
Mm-hmm.
And I know that Megan is 3 years younger than Savannah.
Okay. So what'd you do there?
I minus Savannah's 15 and that 3 from Megan, which I came up with 12, so I know that Megan is 12 years old.
Okay, good.
And then from there, I know that Zach is 13 years older than Megan, so I added the 12 and the 13 together, and I got 25.
Perfect.
So that means Zach is 25 years old.
Awesome work. That is what I got as well. Alright, and the last one is make your own story problem with 3 friends and 3 numbers. So if you want, you can use the same people's names, but switch up their ages. And then we'll just read them out loud to each other, and you'll pick a friend to do your problem. Alright, can you read yours to me?
Zach is 5 years older than Megan. Megan is 10 years younger than Savannah. Savannah is 73 years old. How old is Zach?
Alright, and I can figure yours out. So 73 is Savannah. And Megan is 10 years younger. So I think I'm going to minus 10. And Megan's going to be 63. And Zach is 5 years older than Megan, so 63 plus 5. 5, 6, and 8. 68. Alright, this is mine. Can you figure mine out? Zach is 2 years older than Megan. Megan is 4 years younger than Savannah. Savannah is 18. How old is Zach? So, Savannah is 18. And Megan is 4 years younger.
I would minus the 4 from the 18, which I would get 14. So that
Alright.
would be Megan's age.
And Zach is 2 years older than Megan.
So I would add 2 to Megan's age, which would be 16. So Zach would be 16.
And they're all teenagers. Perfect. Well done. And this is all his work. Wonderful.